stream away.
So we should be here. Live. Pop out my thingy jiggy. I don't care about this. Top chat. No. Why did we pop chat out? Ugh. I love how I have no idea how to do anything. Oh, pop out chat. There we go. Just make it big. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so we are back for our weekly update.
Our
We usually do Tuesdays, but
Tuesday night update.
we did a whole bunch of car stuff yesterday, ran super late, and then we got hangry.
I got hangry.
All of the above. So we ended up eating and hanging out with my one friend with food. So we're doing it now.
We closed that pizza shop down.
They did want to kick us out. It was really funny.
Like, get the hell out of here.
Oh my
We
God.
want to go home.
All right. So we are back with the dividend update, or the next week's dividend updates. So that's going to be for the
19th through the 23rd.
Yeah, the 19th through the 23rd.
So if you get these before they close into business on Friday, you'll be getting a dividend
Right.
next week.
So that's why we have to do it before the next week. We're going to try to shoot for Tuesdays, but if it ends up being Wednesday some weeks, it is what it is. It's not
Life comes first.
right. Life comes first. So we're going to pop over to our
Investing.com dividend calendar.
that, and we're going to start date it on. You said that
I always
17th?
do Saturday to Saturday because it's
Saturday. What? Saturday to Saturday.
every now and then there's like a Saturday one that drops. I'm like, why is that there?
Did I do that right?
Yep.
Oh, so I actually was wondering why you did it that way. Good to know. Very nice.
Every now and then you get a weird one.
All right. What do we got? So we got Jack Squat on Monday.
Monday looks bad.
Himalaya shipping. Oh, I love the Himalayas. What is this? BCAT.
Bunch of BlackRock stuff. Do BCAT. Put that
You
on
want
the
to do
list.
BCAT?
Yeah.
All right. BCAT.
Do your caps lock.
Yeah. BCAT. BCAT.
BCAT.
I be a cat.
Meow.
Right, BCAT.
DSU.
DSU. Oh, is DSU a BlackRock? Interesting. You got any more of those?
I'm looking.
BME?
BMEZ. BME. Do it BME. It's better than BMEZ.
Okay, so DSU and BME. BME?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you did say BME. What is that?
BME.
I know. I put a /E for some reason.
And then
Oh my God, that's a lot of BlackRocks. Holy shit.
we do BIT.
BIT. B-I-T.
BIT.
Holy hell, BlackRock.
Those are all the municipal funds. Like, I have no desire.
All right, we're not doing munis. Munis are not on the list. That'd be way too much.
Do BSTZ too.
What did you say the other one?
BIT.
BIT and
BSTZ.
BSTZ. BIT and BSTZ.
Mm-hmm.
That's not one I would remember off the top of my head.
Oh.
Science? Did the science hook you?
No.
Lies. Tim and his
Do
science.
the BUI.
BUI?
Okay, no, don't go so fast.
BUI.
Not to be confused with DUI. BUI.
BUI.
Alright, let's look here. Well, we can look at that one, but I'm pretty sure it's shit. But,
CCIF?
yeah.
Okay. CCIF?
CCIF.
Little sieve to fur.
Where did my list go?
Sorry, I was trying to make sure. I didn't check the mic before we got on.
MGF. No, it's only 2 cents a month. Never mind. That's trash. Ew, those are. Ew.
Garbage?
Those
You did say this week was going to be crapola.
Those suck. Okay, scroll down.
Wow, that scent is terrible.
SPE is a good one.
SPE. Okay. Toro. SPE.
BGH.
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 Booger her.
MXF. USOI. So do MXF and USOI.
MXF. USOI.
Mm-hmm.
Do we still have USOI?
No,
Interesting.
we do not.
Is that you checking to see if it's worth getting back into?
LTC.
Oh, LTC.
I'll go. Hold on.
LTC. Every time I see LTC, I think of Litecoin.
Okay, and then we got BWG and EMO.
BWG and email. We've done email before, haven't we?
Yeah. We have.
BWG, EMO. Did email make the list before?
Well, yeah, 'cause it makes me think of Elmo.
Oh, Elmo? Coke's on here.
Now, if you just like,
bottling.
If you hover over the letters, it'll tell you what it is. I mean, for people that care,
Oh, for closed-ended funds or whatever.
so it can give you an idea.
Flannery and Gummeries.
Do that FFC. What? Let me see what that one is.
FFC is a preferred securities income.
Yeah, do FFC.
FFC. Oh my.
Why is your phone big?
I know, my phone is always like the bane of existence.
SCD.
Like nobody messages me until we're doing stuff. What did you say?
SCD,
SCD?
and PFE.
SCD.
SC.
Damn it!
C.
I'm having problems. SCD.
You're on the wrong fucking one.
Did I do it again?
Yes. What are you doing?
I'm doing things. SCD and what?
PFE.
PFE. Oh, Pfizer's on here.
Man,
Shush.
learn to type, yo.
I have the microphone is in my way. Pfizer. PIM.
TYG.
TYG.
E-
Turquoise. Ooh.
TYG and EMD.
EMD.
It could be a closed-ended fund week here, apparently.
Oh la la.
Do WIW. I know that one.
Is that on here?
Yeah. It's up top.
Oh, WIW.
Yeah.
We've talked about WIW, haven't we?
Mm-hmm.
The inflation one?
Inflation protection. So there we go. That's
Yeah.
our list.
All right, so we got
BCAT.
BCAT.
BCAT, yo.
We got how many of these? 20 to go through. BCAT, numero uno. BCAT. Our cats.
Okay. C. C
I
again.
really need to get my keys fixed.
Alright, so what we got here? Capital something another. Okay, scroll down to the chart. Charte. I like that chart actually.
Well, it's only the last year. Do you want me to do 3?
No, do one. Closing the funds.
Fun.
I like that chart actually. Pretty much a lot. Okay.
All right, it's stabilizing. Coming into a bounding.
Okay. Scroll down. It's been around for 5 years. Okay. 1.63 billion in assets. Okay, good. Right. Scroll down. You should know how to do this by now.
I had a blank.
It's closing the fund. There you go.
Well, I wasn't sure if you wanted me to go the whole way to the bottom at
You
first.
have to make sure you.
All right,
look
so
at it.
year average is negative 5.21, and since inception is negative 7.59, so it's overvalued.
Overvalued. Off the list.
Off the list.
Closing the funds are super nice because, like, literally, it takes a lot less time than we took to do it.
Shush. Nobody asked you.
Because you just scroll down. Like, I don't know if every brokerage has that capabilities where you can just find that.
This is fun too. Oh look, closed-ended fund. Oh
closed-ended
look, we're
fund.
just gonna go the whole way down here since you keep giving me crap. 1 year average 1.58, negative 4.18,
Nope.
overvalued.
Overvalued. Get off the list.
Oh my god, I don't know if I like having this here, this toggly. We've We've either looked at DSU or been in DSU before.
We were in DSU for like
BME.
3 years, and got to overvalued. So
Okay, BME. I feel like we have this
B.
one. Yes, keep yelling at me. BME. Did I get it? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, good.
that's a health one. That chart.
Is it a fund?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't care about the chart until we look at this thing down here, because apparently you keep yelling at me. 1 year, negative 7.21 and negative 1.75. So we're in range.
Yeah, it's 5% undervalued.
Okay, so let's go back up and look at the chart.
Chart looks nice.
Does it?
Yeah.
Okay. I feel like you always say chart looks nice.
No, that one looks nice. It's a health closing fund that deals with like health and the health field. So like it's going to be
Very nice.
nice.
$42. So does that mean I already have this on the list and I should start putting stuff in here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're going to use yesterday's close price, which was what? Do we have that on here?
Previous close 41.77.
Okay, so I have to look at a new area that I'll probably keep forgetting and screwing up. 41.77. So
It's 5% undervalued.
okay, 5%. Under, oh no. Undervalued. Okay. And we have, what's the buy up to price? Is that where you do the percent add-on thingy jig?
Yeah. So you take 41.
So it equals that times
0.05.
1.05. 43.86. And it is the ex-dividend date of, what was the date? First thing?
20th, I believe.
20th.
I don't know. You have to look at it. I don't know these things.
You should. You should know everything.
It's impossible.
Where's it at?
Dividend. Get down to the dividend portion. There you go.
Oh, you're right. Ex-div.
120.26.
So 7.53. 7.53. What else do I need?
26 cents.
This one?
Yeah.
2.6. Profit margin is non-negotiable.
Yeah, so you just leave a blank. Bit.
Okay. Bit. B-I-T. Bitty bit.
Bit my wang.
Oh my god. That would be awful. I can't even imagine. Cannot even imagine.
A chart.
Oh, another fund. To the bottom. Race to the bottom. Negative 1.59 since inception. Negative 5.36. So we are overvalued. Yes? Overvalued.
Yeah. By a little bit.
So, no go?
No go.
Okay. Bye-bye, Bit. Bit my wang.
Bit my wang is gone.
BSTZ.
BSTZ. Big star.
BSTZ.
This is one that's super popular. Like a lot of the publications talk about.
Science, technology.
But you see, like Morningstar is not a fan.
Morningstar is not a fan. That's actually pretty funny. Look at that chart, Tim.
That's a nice chart too.
Another fund. A fund. Okay. So 1 year average is negative 8.15. They really should make that easier to read. And since inception, negative 9.84. So it's close, but it's still
it's right
overvalued.
Here's where it's currently at. I don't know what you're looking at. Right here's where it's currently at.
Oh, was I using wrong numbers?
Yeah.
Oh, so I got them all right by accident.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
So it's 5% undervalued.
That's actually really funny that I screwed that up. See? You have to keep me in check. I forget things. So, how much? 5%.
5%, but we're not going to do 5%. We're going to do a buy up to of 25-ish around there.
25 is what?
Buy up to is 25.
Dollars?
Yeah.
Okay. So what are you going to put at this? 0?
What? It's 5% undervalued.
It's a fund.
I understand. 5% undervalued. I told you that.
That's what I just asked you, and you said, I'm going to put a buy up to. I thought you were talking about a different category.
We're not going to do the same equation for that one because of...
Oh, well, that's all you had to say. Crazy pants. 22.83.
22.83.
You're clear as mud sometimes.
It seemed clear to me.
That's because you're the one saying it with the perspective of the thing.
120.
Oh, it is 120. 10.53.
16.
120. 120. 10.53. Okay.
Okay.
We got it. BU.
BUI. Sorry, officer, I've been out drinking.
My BUI.
My
What would
BUI.
BUI be? Business under influence?
I guess. It's like everybody has guilty of that whenever they go out to their fancy restaurants with their shirts and ties.
Business under influence. What would be a better B? BlackRock under influence?
Bitches.
Bitches?
Bitches under the influence.
Oh my god. Alright. So 1 year is 2.18. Since inception is negative
Overvalued.
2.25 and 4.64. So it's overvalued. So we are nixing.
Bitches under influence. Bye-bye.
I love acronyms so much. CCIF. What are we going to have for that one?
Oh, that one's...
Crazy cats and...
No, that's an actual stock, and it's horrible. I'm pretty sure it's horrible, but we'll double check.
I mean, a cool acronym come up with. Crazy cats under fur?
I mean,
I feel like you could do way better than I just did.
I suppose.
CCIF. Ooh, look at that chart.
That chart is trash.
They're way worse. What did you say? Garbage?
Oof.
Oh.
That one's rough, but I mean, we'll keep looking, but
And if this is an ETF, we talked about...
It says stock. It's a... Is it? What is it?
Dude,
is it closing the fund?
Look at that. It's a fund.
Well, that one's really bad.
That's what I said. It's a fundy, so they're even worse. Negative 3.44, because we just talked about in our podcast episode that we recorded for Tamari that negative 8.43 and negative 10.33. So it is showing undervalued, but...
Let me see the dividend. I took a look at all this shit. But like, what the...
I would steer away because of the chart.
We might not have 10 though, so put it on the list.
Okay. Undervalued?
It's like 5% again. Like I always do 5% because like I don't really care if it's 2%, 1%. Just
Okay. Did you see the thingy? 1.05.
120, 10, 11 cents, I guess. You round up.
Round up.
Round up.
What was the yield?
26.64.
Oh, you got it. 26.64.
That does give you a lot of wiggle room when it comes to your yield, but...
Yeah, I bet that NAV decline is heinous on this one. Yeah, it's in the penny stock range.
What was the previous close?
Doesn't even have previous close on here. Oh, 4.73.
473. Like, I wouldn't get above...
480.
Yeah, 480.
I just know you.
That's...
Cutting it close.
That's really shit.
SPE.
Like, I wouldn't... Hopefully we have more than 10, because that one's trash.
Was it SPE or SPU?
SPE.
Okay. I wasn't sure if I just like made up a letter, because sometimes I do that. That looks better. 1511. Way better chart-wise.
Another closing this fund.
Another CEF. To the bottom. Negative 9.5 for the 1 year and negative 11
No, overvalued.
and 9 point whatever. So we're nixing. Look at you. This is like Nixville over here.
Well, like I said, closing the funds are probably the easiest thing to
BGH.
evaluate in Schwab, because it literally tells you right there this thing should be around here, and
What do you do if we don't have enough in here?
we'll have to find some more. There's lots of closing the funds to go through.
So you go back to the list.
Mm-hmm.
Yucky. Closing and fun. Cha-cha-cha. To the bottom. Alright. Negative 1.5. Negative 7.1. And
Overvalued. Get rid of it. Gonzo.
Gonzo. Delete row.
And XF. That is a Mexico fund.
Speaking of Mexico.
I don't have warm fuzzies about this one either.
Oh, it is actually says Mexican fund. I thought you were making that up. That's funny. Oh my god. Miscellaneous region.
Miscellaneous.
Oh, that's a pretty chart.
That chart's actually pretty sick, hopefully.
Right? Kudos to whoever the hell got into the bottom. All right, 1 year average is negative 16.22 and negative 17.11, and this is at negative 13.
No, get rid of it.
Oh.
Mexico fund, boo.
Mexican fund, no gozy. USOI. Okay, we have one that.
Yeah, this one's gonna be a keep, but it's gonna be
It is going to be a keeper?
yeah.
OI.
This is one of those weird ETNs.
It's a complex product. It is most appropriate for advanced traders and carries increased risk, including the potential loss of your entire investment.
But this one's
Sounds like a risk on a roller coaster. Okay, so 4886.
This one, GLDI and SLVO are all like, if you get to them, they're on the list. It's just a matter of.
Are these all trailing down?
Look, oil's been shit since forever.
So this is an oil ETN paper trade.
Yeah, it holds USO, I believe.
USO.
So it holds like USO options or stocks or whatever.
Okay, dividends 43 cents. 121. I didn't see what the yield was.
It's ridiculously high.
27.13.
The only reason I say this one's on the list because like I understand that oil is kind of poop right now, but
All right,
it's
so
an ETN, so it should be zero.
it should be zero. So it's
Yeah.
like the 1 year is 0.07.
Should be
The since inception is 0.07 and 0.09.
right. Yeah,
So it's like basically par.
it is par.
We actually putting par in here.
Yeah, it's fair valued.
Or can you just say par?
And I would do 40. I'd do 50.
50?
Yeah, because you get a 27% yield on that one.
Okay. LTC.
I understand that. Like I'm back to what I was saying. I understand that oil's been having a rough time of it, but that one just yields so much that you should be able to recoup your initial within 16 months at the most.
What happened with ours?
We recouped our investment. We recouped our initial investment, and then we sold it for like a 20-some% profit when we were in it years ago.
Is it coming back into buy for your metrics, or is just
I
better
do.
stuff available?
It depends on how you feel about oil. I think oil's fine. I think we've reached, I think like 55 is the bottom. We're right around there. So if you can get a 20.
Oh my God, we have a regular stock. What? All right, chart. What's a heck of chart? 1 year?
1 year.
3.
1 year.
Okay. Well, that's some volatile.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, Morningstar LSEG is 38, and we're at 35.
Yeah, so it's undervalued. Okay. Let's go look at other shit.
Dividend is 19 cents.
19 cents a month. So that would be
Monthly.
19. So it would be 38, 48, 57, I think.
And
This
the...
is one of those REITs, so like you'd actually have to go into the earnings. Oh my god.
All right, how do we do this?
Go back up.
So the non-GAAP isn't applicable?
You have to go up to the news and see if we have any news.
News. Insider trading, notable purchases.
Scroll down a little bit. Scroll down a little bit, like. Oh, so you have to go into Google and type in LTC, AFFO.
What is happening? AFFO. Thank you, AI weirdo.
Thank you for telling me that.
Most likely. Is that it? Or is it supposed to be a different number?
It's supposed to be a number, but like that's 80%. So okay, yeah, it's good.
It's good. Explain what you just did.
Because it's because that EPS was so out of whack, and I know that it's a REIT. So we have to look at the AFFO for REITs to see if the how do I phrase that? adjusted funds from operation can actually cover the dividend. That's like the first, like you have to be super sure that it can cover the dividend, because it's a 19 cents a month. That would be a quarter of 57 cents. So normally that when you look up AFFO, it'll give you like a 0.63 or something like that for this one in particular, but because it's at 80%, I know because we're in it that it's around the 80 to 82% the payout ratio, so it has wiggle room from its cash from operations. Because you have their EPS right there at 73, so like 73 covers the 60 or the 57 cents. But I wanted to show people that I don't always just look at the EPS because they get all butthurt about it. Like, you know that REITs use different metric, right? Yes, I know they do.
But you said you're trying to do apples to apples just for a quick,
for a
like gloss.
quick view. But like I do.
What is going on here? Did we lose internet for some reason? Please, or God, no internet. What is happening?
What?
Our internet access.
So just refresh and see what happens.
You can't refresh that.
Yeah, refresh.
Oy. Whoa.
So
Net profit 17.23.
17.23.
$17.23.
You gotta figure out what all its peeps are doing.
Did you want to look at the financials at all?
No.
You're like, I don't care. Healthcare REIT.
No, we're good.
Healthcare
I
REIT.
mean, we can if people want to, but
Do not care. Healthcare REIT. 40. Wait, is that really?
yeah. So it's
236?
yeah. So like I wouldn't
What?
use that. So I would.
Do I need to look it up in Google?
Yeah.
Okay, what is it? The healthcare REIT? What is the PE
Of the healthcare REIT sector.
of the healthcare REIT? Is it for PE or what?
Just healthcare. No, like so it can't do forward for a sector. That would be.
Oh yeah, duh. That makes no sense. Come on, where are we at? Really?
To go to just type in PE ratio by sector.
I was gonna say there's another site you use. PE ratio by sector. I should have this up. That one?
It's full ratio.
Full ratio. And you said health. Healthcare.
I'll go down to REIT.
Facilities?
Yeah. 2958.
2958.
So sometimes you have to do a little bit more detective work because, I mean, for Schwab, for all of its beauty that it has in a lot of areas, it really sometimes is like, hey, we just want to fuck with you.
It happens.
That's
I'm sure other companies do
that's
the
what
same
we just
thing.
had right there.
BWG. So we're good with that one?
Yeah.
BWG.
BWG.
Okay.
Global,
Brandy Wine Gerbil.
Global Bond. I do believe this is a closed-ended fund as well, isn't it?
I told you, it's like the freaking thing of the closing fun week. All right, to the bottom. Negative 7.95. Negative 11.82. And overvalue.
Overvalue. Nix it.
You were right. We might not even have enough. No bueno. We have what, 5?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, email.
Might just have a abbreviated list this week, huh?
I think you shouldn't force it if it's not there. Or freaking stick your money in SBAR.
SBAR. THTA.
SBAR.
SBAR.
Zoltan!
Zoltan.
This is like the S part. That's hilarious. We need to rewatch that movie. Oh, we have a stock.
Closing.
Is it a fund?
It's a closing the fund.
Shut it. I was wrong. 7.65 and -9, -5.
Get rid of it.
Overvalue.
Overvalue.
Cripey.
That's a really good. That actually is a good one. Like that's one that you put on your watch list. But this isn't a watch list creation. This is an ex-dividend.
I thought this was a watch list creation.
Sometimes, but like that's like
FFC.
5 to 10% overvalued, so they would be on your watch list for a hot minute.
Flattery and Garmin.
It's another
Preferred.
closing fund. Jesus.
Is it a preferred stock of close? Oh, I guess it is. Jesus.
Closing the funds everywhere.
Everywhere. It's raining. Not men, but closing funds. -6.3, -0.8, and -6.71.
Yeah, that one goes on the list. Yay!
Severely undervalue.
We found one.
Okay.
That's like 10% undervalued.
All right. Severe. Very nice. Sometimes. Okay. Well, at least you're getting closer to having a list.
Closing the funds everywhere.
Right, where we at? What the hell's the thing at? Oh, there it is.
123,
23rd,
10 cents.
11 cents.
It's 10.
It's 11.
Okay.
10.5.
It's 10.005.
You are right. I still wrote the wrong number.
You just can't be wrong.
My finger just was like, no.
I cannot be wrong. No.
6.92. Might be like flashbacks. 6.92.
Okay.
No profit margin, no undervalue. Don't remember what this price was because I have number phobia or insomnia.
1654.
Dementia?
Might be dementia. Yeah, you do have
16.54.
potential dementia.
I just can't remember a whole bunch of numbers thrown at. Flying
I
all
would
over the place.
do 1750.
1750. Do you really think I have dementia?
Sometimes.
I have things floating around in my head that are more important than numbers.
Me too. We just got canceled on for our dinner, so now I have to figure out what I'm going to eat.
What did he actually say? Let's see here. How saucy did this mink come back? Sorry, I forgot. They needed to cut my mouth open.
Not an excuse.
I could have texted you this morning when the reminder hit, so actually my bad on that. Not an excuse?
Not an excuse.
Tim said not an excuse.
Yeah. We're going to we just had sushi on Saturday, and it was really good sushi, and her friend's like, my place is better sushi. And like we were supposed to go yesterday, but like the car thing took longer than
Oh
I
my
thought.
god, yeah. Well, no, it wasn't that. He was kind of nauseous, and he said sushi wasn't like fitting.
But even if
he came off
he'd
being
been ready,
sick.
the car took too long.
But no, we still would have got sushi. But I'm really, really excited to see if like our sushi actually tastes better than that sushi because all you could eat, and Tim ate like $60 worth because it's specialty rolls.
Well, he's been to Tokyo, and he said
he's been.
So
I am curious.
He
should have a higher bar.
Sushi connoisseur,
Right.
as they would say.
And he's from the Northeast. Should have a higher bar.
drinks with that pinky up.
So do I, but I'm like heathen central. What are we doing? I don't even remember. SCD.
SCD.
Did I pull it up? Oh, I did. Okay. Sorry, I got sidetrailed with sushi there. So freaking another close-in fun. So excited
I like
to
what this one
taste this
holds, though.
sushi because I needed it like close to my palate to do a comparison.
Because we're not going to be able to get sushi in New Mexico.
-6.13, -8.15, and -10.
Man, get rid of it.
So it's overvalued.
Overvalued.
Oh no, we only have a couple more. Oh, we know Pfizer's on the list.
Allegedly.
Has to be. You don't think so?
I don't know. I never know going into the data if things are going to be on the list or not.
Well, it's not a closed-ended fund, so we know that.
Yeah.
So,
I,
where's this LSEG?
probability is higher that it...
2881.
Okay. Cool.
Did we put it on?
I don't know yet. I have to look at all the data. Why do you keep...
Because I don't want to redo things.
Okay.
So 43 cents and 87 cents.
Okay, so
quarterly.
that looks good
So
so
it makes
far.
the dividend. It
Yeah,
has.
on the list.
Oh, you. I could have just did this from reception. 1867, 1567, 1567.
On the list.
Is my brightness the whole way up? Yeah, who knows? What did I say? 1567.
Astounding. Astounding numerical remembrance. She can remember everything about anything, but
Nope,
not numbers.
Numbers just do not sit in my brain. 8.06.
8.06.
I'm getting there.
Okay, we do need to get new keys.
I know. They're terrible.
Terrible.
Terrible. 43 cents. 23rd. I feel like you'd be better at this than me.
Not with it. I need to be able to see the keys. Like, I could be doing the same shit.
You'd probably be slower. You'd be like, I don't know where this
gerbled
is.
mess.
Gerbled. 6.84. That's high for Pfizer.
Yeah, it should be in the
Holy hell, that's high.
4.75 to
Right?
5.25 range.
Crazy. That's just how undervalued that is. We did have a bone to pick with them back when we were, I forget how long ago it was, because they were like anti the AI movement or something.
That's my bedtime.
Oh my god. I want to play footsie, and you won't let me play
I'm gonna
footsie.
play footsie with my good tip.
25.15. No, I'm actually cold and your feet are warm. What did we say? 28.81. And then they made an announcement that they were like, "Oh, we're all about it."
Yeah, they weren't
So our
investing in AI
sentiment-
enough. So we got out of it for a profit, and then it went down, and then they said they're doing AI, so like that one might be something to get back into. I haven't made a decision about it.
He wore the purple unicorn shirt today too. Oh my god! And he wore the purple unicorn shirt today just for you. You better wear that shit tomorrow.
We're 2 days in a row, man. It's not a fashion statement.
He wore it for us or for you. Tim really likes purple. Favorite color.
I do like purple. It's my favorite. Like my shirt's purple. I don't know if you guys can see on the camera, but I have a purple Ghostbuster shirt on right now.
Apparently, the unicorn has something to do with Dungeons and Dragons. That it's the name of the shop or something.
Sure.
Which I don't. We're not D&Ders, but
I'll believe whatever you tell me to.
did I just close out of that?
Yeah.
FML.
Why are you closing things?
Dude, I have too many tabs open, and things happen, and I suck at life. Okay. It's just.
Why, I don't understand why you're closing things.
I clicked a button by accidente. Why do you give me sass?
You have one job to do.
I know.
Not close out of things.
Okay. Is this a close out of fun
Well,
too?
Morningstar
Oh my
really
god, yeah, totally.
really doesn't like this one.
Why? Did it really bad?
Yeah, well,
Alright, so we have negative 7.84 and negative 1, and it's at negative 188.
so that's fair valued.
So does that mean it makes a list because we have no other things to stick on
It's
here?
fair value, so it makes a list because it's not overvalued.
Yeah. Well, that's what I just asked. All you had to say was
It has
yes.
nothing to do with not having anything on there.
Oh my god. But that's also a reason, yes. 43.76. Does that mean we just do the same thing?
44.
44. Give me so much crap.
Look at that. Overall, 1, 3's a 1, 5's a 1, 10's a 1. So Morningstar really doesn't
You really don't like it.
really doesn't like this
I
one.
think it's a fairly nice chart.
So I am inclined to want to buy it now because
Everybody says no.
Morningstar is like, stay away from this.
What? That's actually a fairly good chart for a longer term, unless there's like some crazy stuff in the 5. No. Why are they anti? They're probably like, we're in this one. Stay away.
I don't know why they would be against it.
That's very weird. We want to buy this at lower prices.
Yeah, I would probably put this on my wait list and hopefully get it for a lower price, but
0.475. Does that mean 0.48?
yeah. It's 48 cents a month. Holy shit.
Have you heard of this one?
Yeah, I researched a while ago.
And?
I must have forgot that it was 48 cents a month.
10.76. I must have forgot. What does that mean? Does that mean you're considering it?
No, we have
Oh, it's fair valued. Never mind. 23rd.
If you scroll up, I can look what's in
Hold
it.
on. Let me see. Let me just do my last little data, and then you can heart content to
So it has, we actually,
Mplex. We like
it's,
Mplex.
It's an energy closed-ended fund. We actually already hold SRV, which holds all of those. So
And SRV's a better one.
I think so, but I don't know. So EMD is the next one.
EMD. Somebody has way better memory than I do.
1073.
Emerging market.
I like that chart.
Another fund.
I like that chart a lot, actually. Okay. Hopefully it's good. I doubt it.
Let's go down. Negative 6.68.
Yeah, it's way
Negative
It's
10.
way overvalued. Yeah. It's like 10% overvalued based on historical data.
So sad. Delete. Eight. WIW?
I'll have to find out WIW.
Should be on here, right?
I don't know. I really don't. I just know that Frankie and Alex are in WIW.
Well, WIW is the inflation one, right?
Yeah.
And I imagine inflation's high AF.
It doesn't necessarily mean it's a buy.
863. Negative 10.18. And negative 11.
Yeah, that one's fair valued. Yeah, that one's actually fair valued.
So it's on the list.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. I was kind of right. Or hoping. Because it's a fairly good approach from the inflationary thing.
It's a good thing to have if you think inflation's going to remain elevated, because like their yield's supposed to kind of mirror inflation. Plus some, obviously, because it's 8% yield, but as inflation goes down, I suspect the yield will go down, or the yield will condense down as inflation goes down.
You do think it'll come down?
Yeah, inflation will come down at some point. I don't know when.
I thought you said you was going to become the new 3 instead of 2, or 4 instead of 3.
I think it's going to become the new 3. Do 875. Then we have to find one more. So back to the
calendar.
Back to the calendar.
Oh no!
All right.
Pick any one of the black rocks.
No,
Yes.
we have to like. Let's just go through here and
Okay.
think it through. So if you look at like BHK highlight, find out what it is. Core bond. No.
Are you looking for more diversification in the actual choices?
Yes. Trying to. What was it? Go back to that one. Energy. No. I don't care about ESG. Floating rate.
That's bad that FRA makes me think of the France roll of the sushi we just ate.
Yeah, I got a France roll last time. Oh, it was so good.
Oh my god! But he ordered 3 rolls. He ended up getting 4, and one of them was a questionable roll, and it was the best one. And we weren't sure which one it was.
Was it questionable? Like you're thinking sushi? Oh, is it questionable sushi? No, it was like I had no idea.
No, we had no idea what it was.
It was literally just a 4th roll, and I was like, all right, cool. And it was like,
And I wanted to order an extra one, and I was like, what was that?
It was really good.
So I chose the other one.
What's
tried
BLE?
that one. BLE. MIT. MIT2. Income.
Let's get out of these BlackRock ones. These ones are butt cheeks. Those are like municipal.
Oh my god, there's so
all
many.
BTX. Let me look. See that. What is that?
BTX.
Yeah, do BTX on the list.
Oh shit! I clicked the wrong thing as usual. BTX.
Go ahead and look.
BTX.
The reason I think that one is because it's a tech. And private equity. That seems like it has potential.
Good chart. We like the bands. And down to the values. We have -7, -7, and -11, and it's a -15.
Yeah, it's 5% undervalued. Okay, yeah.
We keeping this one?
Yeah. If you scroll up real quick, I'll show you why. You see what it holds? NVIDIA. Astrolabs. Like it holds like
Should I click
Apple
more?
oven. No.
Oh, it doesn't have more
It's good. I like what it holds. Yeah, put it on the list.
on the list.
What
So
was
here's
it?
how you get NVIDIA while you have a what percent yield? 12.62.
Yeah. A monthly dividend.
What was it? BT.
BTX.
BTX. My X key is not destroyed.
Yeah.
Nobody asked
I'm looking
you.
at the keyboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 keys are fucked.
I tried to write on with a permanent marker, and that also came off.
It's crazy that there's that many keys. Just
I need to get stickers.
that's 5% undervalue.
Okay. Judging me for my keyboard.
I am.
I beat the crap out of it. I beat the crap out of everything.
I'm judging you for your keyboard because I couldn't type with that. I know you're not supposed to look at your fingers when you type, but I still do.
I only do when it's night because I can't find it, and my little nubs, the little nubs on the J and the F have kind of started to come off, so I can't even find my home base.
Ugh.
I feel like I should put some epoxy or something on there so I know which what.
Or you could just, I don't know, get new. Don't they have like new keyboards?
I don't know if they do in the laptops. I will have to ask that question and figure out. Maybe they have new keys that I could just pop in, but
We're looking for the prices.
I'm
I don't know what you're doing.
talking about keyboards. 6.68.
6.68. And you want to actually do that one times the 5%.
Okay.
6.8, not 6.7.
Oh, would have been better if it was the rounded 7.
Okay, so
All right.
we can go back to the list and double check, see if there's anything we missed. What?
Nothing.
Why are you so ornery?
I am not honoring.
I mean, I see Caterpillar on there, but like the fact that it only has .0 something other is not worth my time. What's that glow one? Hover over the glow.
Dell.
I don't like any of those MFS ones, so you can go through there.
Munivest. PNC. Like PNC Bank?
Yeah. I might be one to put on the list. We'll look at that one next.
PNC.
Yeah. Scroll down.
It only has a 3% interest rate.
They're not all winners.
Lowe's has a way smaller.
So do PNC and do CVS. We'll look those up.
CVS.
Well, I like the amount that it pays.
Okay.
PNC and CVS.
Okay. Oh no. PNC. CVS. Like CVS CVS?
Yeah.
Interesting. PNC.
Just want to see if it's worth that. That's not.
Holy
yeah,
hell.
Just get rid of that one. I didn't know it cost $212.
CVS. And you're nixing it because it's high priced.
Yeah, because most people wouldn't be able
drip
to.
shares you would never be able to rebuy, like Jack Squattle. 79.
Yeah, get rid of that one too. That's pretty high too.
All right, back to
For that little yield.
the drawing board.
We did that one.
Albertsons.
Yeah, Albertsons. I'm from Colorado, so I know all about Albertsons. Have you ever seen Albertsons?
Yeah, we went there. They didn't have our peanut butter.
No.
Remember?
No. I don't remember.
You give me shit about memory. Tim doesn't remember anything. He forgets everything that is irrelevant to useless information somehow.
Yeah, pretty much. Nothing.
And I wish I had your memory issue because he can watch movies over and over again because he forgets what the hell happens in them. It's like a whole new story every time.
Well, a lot of them. Every now and then.
Although I feel like as many times as you've watched Harry Potter and Lord of the Rings and The Hobbits and what the hell are the other ones you go on? Elementary and
Yeah, I watch
Sherlock
a lot.
and
I watch a lot of Elementary.
what's the other one you freaking Lost?
Lost. I can't I remember too much of Lost. Okay, that's our list because the rest of those are closed-ended funds that pretty much pay what we have.
So terrible.
So it was a bad list. Yeah.
So it's a bad list week. Are you gonna sort this? Fun.
I will. Let's get rid of these bad boys here.
Oh my god.
I mean, now you can totally invest in PNC and CVS if you have a lot of money.
But for those of us who don't have a lot of money.
What was Pfizer's? You never looked that up.
Oh, I didn't.
Versus its peers.
I knew I forgot something somewhere.
You have 2 jobs.
What's my second? Or what's my first, I guess I should say.
To not close out of fucking streams.
Or the other one?
To type everything into the chart that we...
Happy.
Yeah.
Mucho better.
Now what I want to
Wait,
do...
crap, that's a lot of closed-ended funds.
Now what I want to do here is I want to do...
Your rankings?
Equals...
Equals.
This... Divided...
What are you doing?
I'm just...
Price to... Oh, so percents.
Why did I do 1?
Click. Move.
I don't want 1.
Is that what you want? 95?
Yeah.
Okay. Drag her down. So he's doing a percent under value. Or are you doing a ratio? That's a ratio. That's not a,
What's the current price divided by the buyout price? It gives you so you can make 5% in that one. So it looks like...
that's not how you do that. You do that minus that divided by...
Whatever. So that is number 1. Okay, that's what I thought. So that's number 2. That's what I thought. So that's how I was gonna...
Oh, just in confirming your instinctuals.
Yeah.
So what are we doing for dinner then?
I don't know. Not sushi. That's all.
I feel like I want Mexican cheese fries.
Where do you want to get Mexican food at?
The Mexican cheese fries.
Where are they at?
So because our friend is from the New York City sub-region or extended region, he spent a lot of time fooding. So he has good taste. So since he moved into this area, it is nice to have another person looking for good food. And we want to hit certain food stuff before we leave, even though we don't usually eat out too terribly often. I am going to miss certain things, like sushi. I'm actually sad. We haven't eaten sushi in 3 years, I swear.
Yeah.
So that was crazy. We're supposed to do the other sushi today. We want to get those wraps at the one Indian place. What else is on the list?
There we go. There's the list.
There's the list.
There's the list, and that'll be coming out in the email on Friday. If you're not a subscriber, that's cool. I don't blame you. Who wants extra email?
I know, emails are horrible. But here's the list. But it is faster than watching the live stream to get this information.
Literally, I wouldn't spend any money other than...
Do you want to look at next week's list? We did that before, just to see.
Maybe the first couple, maybe the first 3 is where I would do my money.
Right, so Saturday to Saturday. Did I screw this list up?
No.
Why does it say 16 to 23?
Just click on 24. Click on 31.
Oh, how come it does it when I don't want it to do what it does?
Why you make it harder than it appears?
I make it harder than it appears.
Calm.
Oh, we got so screwed out of that one. Was that in one of our Biggest Loser?
No, it was a whoopsie.
Episodes?
It was a whoopsie only because
Or Whoopsie Daisy
I
streams?
didn't write the whole way up to the top, but I still made a lot of money on
But
it.
who could have predicted bird flu and all that crap? PSCC.
Oh yeah, so if you have money to spend, what I'm seeing from next week is probably a better list.
Way better.
Just a cursory glance here.
So.
But if you don't have any exposure to say pharmaceuticals or science and technology,
Yeah.
you totally could.
You're saying these next couple here, these 3?
The first 3, I would think, maybe the 4th one.
Yeah.
But
the rest of these.
anything below.
What about USOI?
No, it's.
That's on the wait list.
It's
for a better price.
The wait list that one because you have to see what's going on with the price of oil because it basically what USOI does is they buy USO stock and USO is directly impacted by the price of American crude, and so I would do Pfizer for sure. If you don't have any pharmaceutical, I would do LTC if you don't have any aging population investments. And this one here, this BSTZ, is a really good closing-end fund that'll get you a lot of exposure to science and technology stuff. And BME, if I would rather just do BST because it's kind of similar to BSTC. And then if you're worried about inflation, I would do WIW because the person, Frankie and Alex, I told her to get into that, and you just compound shares like crazy in that one.
I'm sure you do.
Because it's so the share price is so small, and you're getting you get paid every month, so you're getting dividend reinvestment.
And
every
until
month.
inflation does change things or change, that one's not a half bad investment right now. But if you don't want to go into any of those and you want to make money while you wait, SBAR and THTA or THTA.
I was trying to think when they go ex-div. If you wanted to do that, you have to make sure they don't go ex-div or you're going to lose money. I understand,
Oh, are these monthlies?
Yeah. It's getting close.
Yeah, because you have to be in them to not be out of them.
So that would be the 16th. So, that one's coming up. So if you wanted to park your money somewhere, I would do SBAR because this one goes ex-dividends soon, and the reason I wouldn't say park your money in THTA unless you plan on holding it for a couple months is whenever it goes ex-dividend, it's going to drop by that dividend price, so you're going to lose if you just don't park your money there for a week or two.
Oh, SBAR doesn't do that.
It does, but it's at the end of the month. I wasn't sure the ex-dividend day of THTA. So if you wanted to park your money somewhere for probably a little bit of price appreciation would be SBAR. They basically trade treasuries with.
Well, here's what they're in. Treasury bills, treasury notes.
Well, that's
treasury bills.
THTA. So this one's good. We put our dry powder in both THTA and SBAR. THTA has a bunch of treasury bills, and then it has options on the S&P. And so long as the S&P doesn't do what it did back when we had the tariff problem, you see this ridiculous drop. But ever since then,
yeah, we're just basically about break even in our THTA because of that.
Ever since then, the only time it had a problem was back in October. Was that October? In November we had a problem, but it for the most part trades sideways. Even then,
what happened in November?
I don't remember.
But it was a news event of some sort.
Apparently, something.
No kidnapping of presidents.
Something that held SB. This is the other one. So that THTA has exposure to the S&P. So if something happens in the S&P, it'll drop. But then even this one drops in November. What the hell?
All right, I'm really curious. What the hell happened November 7th? What was the date of that?
The second week of November through Thanksgiving.
Was there just massive market crash?
Yeah, there was market volatility. But this one here, again, it just has a money market and then treasuries. And then over the counter, whatever this is.
Yeah, I don't know how this one has as big of a dividend as it does when it doesn't do any option trading. I'm very intrigued.
So I like this one. We just got into it.
Very intrigued.
Right about here. So we got all that price appreciation, but you see how it trades sideways. It's pretty nice.
All that price appreciation.
That's pretty much. What is that? 26 to. It's 50, 60 cents price appreciation.
So you're saying.
We have $10,000 in it. It's fucking crazy. We have 40 grand in it.
Is this the one with the ex-div that you were saying? No.
No, it was THTA. Because if you park your money in THTA for a week or two, you're gonna whenever it goes ex-dividend, it's gonna go probably 15 cents down. So you're gonna lose 15 cents in share price. Sure, you may, depending on when you sell, to put your money into the next list of ex-dividend things, you may be able to recoup that in the price of with your dividends being paid to you. But I don't want anyone at risk that. So if you're gonna park your money in something for just a short term, hold it so it can make appreciation, it would be SBAR. Or you could just leave it in cash and not make anything on it, and then next week the list will be better. It's up to you. I was just pointing out that we have our dry powder in both SBAR and THTA.
And the reason we're willing to take that risk is because the yields on these things are pretty freaking good when these things just trade sideways.
For the most part, you look at
so it's why would you be in a volatilely risky other asset?
That's the year chart for SBAR. That's not bad.
No, it went up from
the.
What the hell happened down there? Whoa, how long's this been out? Go into a 3-year. What are you doing?
414. So that was right after the tariff tantrums. So ever since the tariff thing started to stabilize, this one stabilized.
So this thing came out like right before, right
that's
after.
been pretty good. They did have this little dip here in November. So if you bought it here and you got nervous here, that's a decent loss. But if you just held through, and it does generate you 28 cents a month, that's a pretty good dividend for something that's for the most part traded just sideways.
That didn't have the yield on there, but it's around 12%.
It's like almost 13%. So that's like what I park my cash while I'm waiting on stuff to happen. But if you park enough cash in it, you generate, like I think between the two, S-Bar and THDA, we're generating $500 a month and just unused.
Right, because that's actually what we were debating with. Because like in our main portfolio, I know we're getting a little off tangent here, but fuck it.
Click on the positions. Positions right there.
Why do I do this every time? I'm like, I don't know how to navigate Schwab.
In our main portfolio, we put a bunch into it. We have all this other fun shit.
Yeah,
Some preferred shares.
Where is it at? S-Bar?
S-Bar's down in the ETF section.
So THTA, we have a large chunk of stuff in. 14,100. And S-Bar is...
Right above it.
Oh, I didn't see that. We put 36,000 into that one, so it's not that we're not putting our money in it. But we are planning on sitting on this because Tim's waiting for other things to come into.
We still have 20,000 in cash just chilling.
24, yeah, we do.
So I'm probably going to let those compound for a little bit.
So we are waiting to pounce.
Because you see I have 1,000 shares, so dude, that's crazy.
A S-Bar?
Yeah.
Where are you at? Oh, 13?
I have like 1,000 shares of THTA, so I'm just going to let it compound. Fuck it, whatever happens, happens. Normally, I would take the cash, put it into other stuff, but because I have so much money in cash waiting on other stuff, I'm just going to let these compound and see what happens.
Right. We are trying to see, and this is like part of the game. Like sometimes... Like,
another experience. Like,
I think even Buffett said sometimes the best place to park your money is in cash when you're...
Another experiment that I'm doing here. See, we're in that one we talked about, BME. It's done pretty good.
All right, what's BME?
BlackRock Health Science.
Isn't that the one we just looked up?
Yeah.
We did just look it up and we nixed it from the list, but we bought it.
I'm not nixed from the list. It's right there.
Oh, it is on the list. I lied. I thought it was one of the ones we nixed.
No. But these are my two new experiments.
I do not recognize those tickers at all. Nugi and Yax.
Yeah, these are my next experiments that I'm going to report on to people too. See what happens.
What are these?
Nugi is a Granite Shares yield boost gold mining.
Oh, that's right.
One that pays weekly.
Because gold and metals right now.
And GIAX is one that holds like 7 Vanguard ETFs, and then it writes options on a bunch of like technology stocks like Palantir and was it STM or whatever the hell it is, TSM.
Oh, look, it has VU. We just did VU in our podcast.
So you see what they do with this one. This one's actually pretty ingenious. Like these ones here.
BEA.
This is where you get all your growth from. So as these index fund things go up or down, your share price, and then they write options on these down here. The Tesla.
You need to go the other way.
Palantir.
There you go.
And the Taiwan Semiconductor. So they write options on these to generate weekly income. But what you're hoping is that these all here just blow up and appreciate, because that's where a bulk of the. So I'm testing this one out. It is going to be a experiment that I will report on in a few months.
How long has this been out? 3 year.
You just scroll down to the fund profile.
Yeah.
It's been out since scroll up 7th July of 2024.
Okay, so this hasn't been out too terribly long.
I actually like.
I do like when he finds new stuff.
The concept's
interesting.
The concept's neat to me. So
right. Very nice.
I mean, it's traded pretty much sideways after the tariffs. Tariffs fucked everyone's stuff up, but that makes sense if you have that much exposure to Vanguard index funds.
Everyone's everything.
When everything goes down because everyone's scared.
Everything goes down. Yeah.
But it did just start doing a weekly payment. You see, relatively.
Hopefully that doesn't
recently
mess things up. Weeklies.
I'm not a fan of weeklies, but
Everybody
they
keeps
ju- that's where-
demanding
it's
the
where you-
weeklies.
It's where you get your most money from.
Well, I imagine the demand will drive better processes for the weeklies if there's so much demand. So it'll eventually
So
figure.
we totally just went off tangent on that,
Right,
but
we did.
whatevs. So your top 10 list is whatever the hell I had there.
Whatever the hell I had there. Okay. There's top 10 lists. Be on the chart. And we shall see you next.
See you next week, next Tuesday.
How long did we record? Oh, it was like an hour. We did pretty good.
Peace.
See you next time.